Dear friends, today I am going to speak about a book. Its title is This Azadi? The book is written by Anand Chakravarti, who was working with Delhi University as a professor in sociology. The book is published by Tulika Books and it has 265 pages. The book is examining the everyday lives of agricultural laborers from the Dalit communities in Bihar. The book is based on fieldwork in Rohtas district, and it is an important intervention to understand the livelihood access of the Dalit communities in Bihar. And as far as livelihood is concerned, it is very important lens to understand the magnitude of economic exclusion. As we all know, Dalit communities are facing an immense pressure from the changing economic pattern, because their traditional sources of income, their traditional occupations are fading and shrinking very fast, and the new avenues of employment are not very vibrant, and many of these communities don't have much formal education. So in this backdrop, the book is very important intervention to understand the livelihood concern of the Dalit communities. As we all know, many of these communities are predominantly residing in the rural areas and working as agricultural laborers, and an important work was needed to understand the way they are earning livelihoods. And this book is very important to understand various other aspects of the rural economy, what kind of changes are taking place in the agrarian society, how Dalit communities are negotiating with the various economic actors, social actors and political actors. This book is very interesting, and I recommend this book to understand the livelihood in a holistic perspective. As we all know, livelihood is primarily studied by development practitioners, but I feel that they overlook the various aspects. They didn't emphasize on historical perspective. So this book is lagging such kind of gap with help from a field work in Rohtas district. Thank you so much.